Hello and welcome. This is DruVision IT Consulting. It is August 2023. We are in Dallas, Texas, and we're so excited that you're here to explore what DruVision IT Consulting is all about. This is the first video. This is our inaugural voyage, and I think we're going to have a great time together. So we're going to talk about our company, our experience, where we came from, and how we got to be here today. We're going to talk about the services that we offer, the value that we can bring to our customers, and then lastly, what makes us different. So get excited. Let's dive right into it. DruVision. DruVision is an IT consulting company serving small and medium businesses across the entire United States in any industry, whether you be automotive, semiconductor, travel transportation, consumer packaged good, financial, insurance, etc. It doesn't matter. A little bit about us. Personally, have sold over $2.5 billion over the course of 20 plus years, as well as directly managed over $100 million in a single year across a portfolio of very, very different services. And the unique experiences across all of this time and all of these customers is those nuanced challenges, those problems that are just different, challenging to solve. How do you modernize legacy applications, whether they be mainframe, AS400, alphas? How do you stepwise get yourself out of those certain challenges, right? How do you maybe run a process more efficiently? Maybe your configuration, your price quote system is decrepit and not able to keep up with the needs of the business. These are all the different types of challenges and problems that customers face, whether they're mundane or exotic, right? It doesn't have to be big data to be exciting or important. It has to be a problem that can deliver an outcome when solved. So our company is a network of partners who faced all of these different challenges in one shape or another. And it all boils back to the customer. Whether it was a workshop, design thinking garage, or a hallway conversation, it is engaging with clients really to understand their challenges, their perspectives, what keeps them up at night, and how do we partner together to deliver outcomes. That's what DruVision IT Consulting is all about. Here we are at dru-vision.com, and this is our services page. As you can see, there's really a wide swath of different services in a variety of categories here. So generally, our services fit into one of three different buckets. Those are IT service and business management, infrastructure application and data related services, and business process engineering. So to get a little bit deeper into each one of these, IT services and business management, that's really your spectrum of services, like around IT service management. That's incident, problem, and change, knowledge management, change management, whether it's help desk services, service desk, service catalog, CMDB, IT business management. That would really be more around your budgeting and your planning, your demand management system, your intake, your funnel, right? How do you absorb projects into the business? How do you prioritize your backlog of different activities that the business needs to do, right? That's really the crux of IT business management and portfolio management. Of course, we've also got IT RFP consulting, and that's everything from helping you write the RFP, to negotiate a response to an RFP, really end-to-end life cycle for that RFP process. Now, infrastructure, application, and data, that encompasses everything from, how am I designing my hardware, fit for purpose or generalized? Do I scale up? Do I scale out? right? How much memory do I need for these use cases? What type of networking requirements might I need? Do I put it on-prem or in the cloud? Right? What type of environment is this? Applications, whether you're looking at how do I modernize a legacy application, right? Do I just burn it down and start over? Do I need to archive it and retain it? Do I just convert the code from old to new? Do I approximate the application, right? Maybe I use COTS, right? Commercial off the shelf software titles, or maybe I need to custom engineer it. Data, whether it's big data, Kafka, integrations, data streaming, data warehousing. Maybe it's just um, Microsoft Access, something as simple as that. How do I take these old data types and modernize them for the future? Maybe I need data governance. Maybe I need a data strategy. Right? What are the problems and challenges that our applications and our data are facing? And how do we tackle those together? Right? With our team of engineers, we're able to bring architect level skills at a fraction of the rates you might otherwise pay to really digest these applications, decompose those, and help you come up with a strategy, not a roadmap, a strategy and tactics. Month 1, month 6, month 12, 18, and so on. What should you be doing and when to resolve these problems to deliver the outcomes you're looking for? And then lastly, business process engineering, right? Forget IT, right? IT serves the business. So what are those business processes? How is IT serving the execution of those processes? Is it visibility? Do you need to inspect it? Do you need to measure it, right? Is your current process actually satisfying your needs in a way that suits the capabilities and desires and needs of your business, right? So we can work with you whether we're drawing out those existing processes, looking for those opportunities where you can take a process and streamline it. Maybe we need to cut out some of the churn, right? How do we automate some of those approvals, for example? There's a lot of different ways to look at some of the more archaic and legacy processes and bring those into the 21st century. So these are some of our services at face value. Be so thrilled to be able to talk to you about any of the challenges and bring the exact right expert to you to talk about where you're stuck, where you want to go, and how do we get there. Okay, so how is DruVision different? It's pretty simple. We are simple. We're not going to bore you with a bunch of weird T's and C's that make no sense, that force you to hire really expensive lawyers to read 100 or 1,000-page long contracts. These are going to be very simple, easy to read contracts with transparent pricing. That means you know what you're paying, you know what the markups are, you know what you get, you know how long you're going to get it for, and who you're going to get. It's so simple. You don't have to pay for a bunch of risk that doesn't exist. You don't have to pay for bad commercials. And most importantly, with our business model, you don't have to pay for a bench. Our model is predicated on an extensive network of partners, right? We all work together. We suit the needs of each and one another's business as the needs arise. So when we're not working on your project, we're not charging you. You're not going to pay $100 an hour, and $20 of that is the last 2 months for some dude who wasn't doing anything. It's not fair, and you shouldn't have to do it. DruVision is all about getting you plugged in to the right resource. If you don't like them, we'll find another one. The network is huge, and the potential to deliver outstanding results, timely, and exactly what you're looking for is how we're different, right? We need each and every customer engagement to be a reference. If you're not going to be a reference, honestly, it's not the kind of business I want to be in. So you're going to know with full confidence that we've got the right people, the right timelines, and we're going to be able to deliver the outstanding results based on our partnership with you. I can't wait for you to come to DruVision.com to hit that contact us button, and let's start talking today. We'll talk to you soon. And don't forget on your way out to hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for your time, and I can't wait to speak with you soon.